Hi everybody, my name's Jonathan. Welcome back to Muskegon Farm. We wanted to read you a story about a tractor, so I figured this was a very fitting place to start. So this book is called Goodnight Tractor, and it's by Michelle Robinson and Nick East. The stars are out. It's time for bed. So say goodnight, my sleepyhead. Good night, farmer. Good night, plow. Good night, trailer. Good night, cow. Good night, dog. Good night, sheep. Good night, tractor. Time to sleep. Good night, combine. Good night, truck. Good night, donkey. Good night, duck. Good night, pig, and good night, sheep. Good night, tractor. Time to sleep. Good night, wagon. Good night, puddles. Good night, horse, and hens and huddles. Dog and donkey, duck and cow. Combine, wagon, truck and plow. Oinks and brays, and moos and baas. Quacks and neighs, and moon and stars. Good night all, now count the sheep. Good night, tractor, time to sleep. So we thought that in addition to this, we'd show you a little bit of how a tractor works. So if you join us now, you can see some of the jobs that a tractor can do on the farm. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.